How to remove a local user on Windows-like system with Ansible? I'm going to show you a live demo with some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about Ansible module win_user. The full name is ansible.windows.win_user, which means that it's part of a collection of modules specialized to interact with Windows target host. It's a module pretty stable and out for years, and it works on Windows and Windows Server operating system. It manages local Windows user accounts. For Linux target, use the user module instead. Parameters of win_user. The only required is name, that is the username. The state parameter allows us to create or delete a user. For our use case, we need to use the absent option. And that's it. No more. Let's move to a quick demo. I'm going to show you how to remove a local user on Windows-like system with Ansible Playbook. We are going to automate the deletion of the example user on my demo Windows machine. Let's have fun. Welcome to my editor. Let's start our Ansible playbook with a 3- for YAML document and a name for the Ansible play, Windows user remove. That is going to target all of my inventory. Let me define also one custom variable, usr_name, the name of a user, in this case example. Using variable is very easy. On the task list, there is only one named delete local user that is using ansible.windows.win_user. Two parameters. First is name, so let me print it out the value of user name, and the state must be absent. And that's it. Done. This is my Ansible playbook to delete one specific user from a Windows-like system. As you can see, using a custom variable is very flexible because you could customize the code as much as you need. So every time you need only to change one variable, and you can reuse the code for as many users as you want. And now let's jump it out to the demo. Welcome to my Windows demo machine. First of all, we need to verify that the example user is created and available. So let's double check together. On this PC, right click on Manage, then on the Server Manager dashboard, let me move on Computer Management, and in this window we have a local users and group. Let me expand a little bit. Here we go. On the users list we have example user. But here it is. Here's his property and everything that needed. So we would like to delete. No, we are not doing here on a right click. We are doing with Ansible. Welcome to the terminal of the Ansible controller where the action began. So let's execute together the code of the Ansible playbook. Ansible-playbook is the command line, -e my inventory, and then my playbook file, user_remove. The execution doesn't take a lot of time, just need to connect to the target machine and execute the action. We have a change status, which means some operations were performed on the target machine. And what happens if we execute again the same code? Oh, well, this time I'm going to expect one OK status, which means that no more operations were required. Let's double check together. This property is called idempotency and is common to a lot of Ansible modules. Here we go. So, user example doesn't exist. True? Welcome back to my Windows machine. Let's double check together if the example user still exists or not. So here I could see the example user, but what happens if I refresh the user list? It disappears, so Ansible did the job behind the scene. What about the user profile? Let me double check. So under C, users is still present, so be careful and remind you that you need to actually delete this file. You can do manually or with Ansible as you wish. So the file is still here, and if you are administrator, you can access and decide what you need to do. So that's it. Good job, Ansible. Now you know how to remove a local user on Windows-like system with Ansible. Imagine the impact managing 10, 100 or 1000 of servers. You can automate these things a lot of time. If this video was useful for you, give me a thumbs up, write me a comment, and in general, keep in touch with me. See us on the next IT adventure of Ansible Pilot, and have a great day! This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun!